हाल ही में एमवीएस फाइन ज्वेलरी का एक्सक्लूसिव प्रीव्यू सामने आया, जहां तमाम फिल्मी सितारे भी पहुंचे, लेकिन ज्वेलरी से जुड़ी जानकारी देते नजर आई इस ज्वेलरी शॉप की ऑनर। क्या क्या कहा उन्होंने, आइए आपको बताते हैं।
So this is not my store. It's her store, and she's my cousin, and she does lovely clothes. So I thought I should take a back seat with my clothes this time and do my jewelry line with her, because the clothes and my jewelry go really well.
Actually, you can see it.
Yeah, you can see it.
Yeah.
She's my model for today.
Yeah.
So her clothes are really nice, drapey, simple, pret to wearish, and the jewelry just makes it more, like it makes it more festive, and that's what we're celebrating. We're celebrating Diwali, so that's what we thought we should come together and do this, and we've got a fabulous response, and we're really happy about it.
Yes.
Which one is your favorite?
My favorite what?
Your dress in a whole collection.
I'm wearing one, so I really like this one, and I also like this one. I can catch her. So I also like this one. I think she's looking stunning. So but I वैसे भी like a lot of her clothes, because firstly it makes me look slightly thinner, so it's very important for me, and secondly it just fits everybody. Like, there are no particular sizes or anything, so it just fits everybody, and it just makes you look more grander. So I think it's lovely.
Okay, so while designing your clothes, what all you kept in your mind?
She said, I think everything what I have to say. But it's just, okay, I really want people to wear my clothes for every occasion, like, from pool party to cocktail to reception. So, like, I combine the combinations and the sets like that, so you can actually go anywhere and, just be ready anytime. So,
Okay, as you know, there are many competitions in the Mumbai. So how different is your dresses?
actually, if you compare, like, my pricing rates are a little lower. In fact, I'm using all pures and everything, but the price range is like quite lower. So I feel that's how I'm competitive, and even the drapes are very different
Yeah, her
from
drapes are
others.
really,
Yes, it
and
fits
from
everyone.
coming from one designer to another, I can surely guarantee her fabrics are good. Her colors she uses is really nice, and her patterns are out of the world. So I think that it makes a perfect combination.
Thank you, Manali. Thank you so much.
I feel like I'm doing a publicity.
And her jewelry, I just love her jewelry. What I'm wearing, it's really, really going very well. And she's fabulous. Her rates are also, I feel, they are very, very competitive. So you must visit for her, for jewelry. It's MVS. It's too good. I
And for
love
clothes,
it.
it's Yogita.
No, Manali as well. Yeah.
Okay, so finally, what do you have to say to the viewers why they have to visit your store?
Just come for any occasions, not only for Diwali we are actually offering good discounts, but come for every time, like pool party to everything. Even the summer collection is very good. We'll be launching it soon, so it's gonna be good. Just welcome to all.
Manali, talking about the jewelry, what is unique this year? We've been having it for the second season now.
Yes, this is our second edition, and what we've tried to do is we've really tried to. Last year when we did our first time, I was not sure about the response, and I had a certain kind of. I had all kinds of people who bought my stuff. So this time I was more prepared on what the clients want. So we've actually designed stuff accordingly. And like I said again, I've started this only because we are in the manufacturing, and the beach K two people, the distributors and all are hut out. So our rates are really good. So if you ask me why to come to MVS, is only for their designs and rates, I feel. Oh God, it's a so when it comes to technical part of it, I go all out when it comes to creativity, because I have no technical knowledge on jewelry yet. But so he comes in the picture when he knows. He tells me कि नहीं ऐसे हो सकता है, ऐसे नहीं हो सकता है, and this is what we can do, and this is how it can be made and stuff. So I feel when it comes to more technicality, he is involved, and when it comes to designs, I am involved.
Next 9 News